This group of jellyfish are heading south to warmer waters for the winter. They travel in groups to ward off predators. Here, some of the jellyfish are watching over the group while the others rest. The reason for this is that predators will avoid groups of jellyfish because of the jellyfish's sting. Their sting is so poisonous that it can cause a full-grown adult to die within minutes. But some also hunt for food. Anything that can fit into their mouths is prey. They live in places like the Antarctic, Australia, France, the United States, and Africa. It is unknown just how many different species of jellyfish truly exist. Some even have the ability to regenerate their DNA, making themselves virtually immortal.